Hi, thank you for joining me. My name is Callai. For this tutorial, we'll be quickly creating labels on Canva using our phones. Let's begin. So to create a label using Canva on your phone, you have two options. Number one, you can go in your search bar and type labels, search. And as you see, you will have templates coming up, different kinds of labels, different sizes, different styles, and also you have the option to create from scratch here. You can also select the plus sign here. And if you know what the size label that you're working with, you can enter it at the custom size here and you can type in the size of the label that you want. Now, if you're going to be labeling like stuff around the house or the kitchen, or you're doing a second language like French or Spanish or whatever that language is, and you want to be able to remember the name of stuff, that's an idea. You can always label the chair, the table, the computer, whatever it is in the language that you're studying. So labeling is why. To label is a fun thing to do. You can label just about anything. Okay, so the standard size I'll be using here in that case will be 2, and I'm using inches. You have the option over here to choose whatever that you want to, whatever size you want to use the measurement in. So here we have the option. We have pixels, inches, milliliter, centimeter. But what we will be using for this video, we'll be using inches. Okay, there we go. So we'll be having 3 inches in width, 3 inches, and 2 inches in height. Okay, and let us select that. And that's the size of your label. So Canva will automatically suggest templates for you to choose from, but we are going to be building this from scratch because I wanted to have an hands-on experience on how to build it yourself. Not all the time we'll be jumping to templates, okay? Yes, there'll be time for templates, but it's excellent for you to know how to actually build a label by yourself. Therefore, you can do whatever that you want to do without have to be asking someone else to do it for you, okay? So we'll be going to our blank space and we will be creating our label. So here we have it. We have 2 inches in height and 3 inches in width, and we will be applying text to this. We can apply images, we can apply text depending on how you want to design your label. You can put borders if you so desire. So to add whatever that you're going to add to your label, you'll be coming here to elements and you will say we want floral borders, because you want to have your label not too boring, you know, bring a little life to it. So floral borders, and there you have it. So let us choose from something here in the first view, and we'll be going graphics. Okay, you will find graphics. You have the option for graphics or photos or frames, but in this video we'll be selecting graphics. In graphics we're going to be selecting see all. And we want this design just to be at a corner of the label, not to take up too much space, because we want the information that we'll be placing there to be clearly seen. So we just want just a little design at the edge, just for your label to look fashionable and cool. Okay, so let us scroll and find something that will not crowd the label too much. So here we have something like this, and we have something like this. And again, it's up to you. It's your choice. You know, you choose what you want. It's depending on your taste. Okay, I will be selecting this one. I like it. And I will be repositioning, resizing. Okay, and there we have it in a corner, and I may just put it in another corner also. We can duplicate whatever image or text. You do this by selecting the item, and here you observe you have this little icon here, and you select it, and there you go. So I want another design to be at the far corner at the bottom here. So I will be flipping, and to flip, I'm down at the toolbar, flip, and I want it to be flipped vertically and horizontally. And I'm placing it right here. There, see? Don't want to put it. We have to take note of the safe lines, just to be on the safe side, because here in this area, we have our bleed. We don't want when the label is printed or information it's cut off. So it's best for us to stay within the margin shown as you create. Canva helps you with the margin, okay? So you have your bleed lines, you stay within that safe area. All right, so there you have it. And now I'm gonna add a text. So I may have this for my kitchen, and I can place on this flour or sugar or salt, whatever it is. So I'm going to be making a few of these, and I will be placing different names, different items, names on it. Different product names will be placed on it. So we will begin with flour. Okay, so let us add text. And to add text, where do we go? We clear whatever that we have on the toolbar, which I just did, and we select the text icon. Okay, so here we have a wide range of text styles that are already done. But in this video, we will be creating our own text from scratch. So we will be selecting add a text box. Select, and there we go. And we will be writing in our text box, flour. Here we go. And now we will be designing our text. We will have some style to it. We'll be changing the font and the color and the size. So let us begin by adjusting the size so we can see the text clearly. So to do that, we will go down to our tool area, scroll, font size, and as you see, it is at 6 points, and we need it to be larger than that. So we have two options to resize this font. We can select it here by placing the number that if you already have knowledge of the size in number, you can place it here, or you just do a slider here. I will be sliding. That way I'm able to see the text get larger as I go along. So at this point, we'll be changing the style of our font. So to do that, we will select font here in our tool area, and we will select a font depending on your taste. If you know the name of the font that you want to use, you can always place it here. If not, you just scroll until you find the one that you like. The one that pleases you. So let us scroll a bit, and I will select something that I think I have an idea of what I am looking for. I just don't remember the name of it now, so I'll be searching through. All right. And if you notice the fonts, you can actually see what the font will look like. Yes, I like this. So this is my label, and this can be your label too. So this is how we create a label. Labels can be created for, as I said before, labeling things in your house, for labeling your products, your cosmetics, whatever that you have. So there we have it, our label is complete. It's not hard to do. And as you follow me, you'll see other videos, more detailed videos on how to do labels for your products. So thank you for joining. Remember to subscribe to this channel, comment and share.